Hello engineers. Do you know what skills you should include on your electric vehicle resume? First and foremost, it's important to have a strong understanding of electric vehicle propulsion systems and the components that make them run, including batteries, motors, and inverters. Experience with electric vehicle charging systems, including both AC and DC charging standards and protocols, is also valuable to include on your resume. Proficiency in computer-aided designing (CAD) software like AutoCAD and SolidWorks is essential for creating detailed technical drawings and models. Familiarity with industry standards and regulations related to electric vehicles like ISO 26262 automotive safety standards is also important to highlight. The ability to design, develop, and test electric vehicle prototypes, include conducting performances and durability tests, is a key skill for an EV engineer to possess. Strong problem-solving skills, including the ability to identify and troubleshoot issues with electric vehicle systems, are also crucial. Proficiency in programming languages like C++, Python, and Java, which are often used in the development of electric vehicle software and control systems, is another valuable skill to include. Experience with data analysis and visualization tools like Excel, MATLAB is also useful for analyzing test data and developing performance models. Finally, don't forget to include your strong written and verbal communication skills, as you will likely be working closely with the team of other engineers and technical professionals. Thanks for watching. Be sure to follow us for more tips and tricks on how to make successful resume for your engineering career.